Hey everybody, I'm gonna do another video here, but this is a how-to video. All right, so and I'm gonna do week 2, like this chapter 5 Excel here. Let me switch. Okay, so week 2, chapter 5 Excel. All right, and all right. So here is the information. So now with the video here, you can pause the video and you can read through and look at what we're looking at. So here you got the chapter 5 assignment. Here you got some information. You got the information here, machine hours, direct labor, electrical cost. And so first question here is using the above data. Um, you're going to calculate, all right, the electrical cost. So um, now I've got the cheat sheet here I'm showing you, but it goes through and shows you how to do this, all right? And let me get my calculator up here. So, but the way you would do this, so for number 1, right? Analyze data. What is the estimated electrical cost per direct labor hours? So down here we look at it, okay? We got the estimated annual cost, that number there, which we get up here, okay? Where'd it go? Right there. All right. So we've added these numbers up. We come up with these numbers on the totals, and here the annual estimate for A and B. Okay, machine hours, direct labor. So we come up with these different numbers here. Okay, so that's the 3947. All right, so we go down here. We got that 3947 or 450. Okay, we got the estimated hours, right? And then we divide A by B. All right, so it's pretty straightforward. Of course, watch, I will miscalculate the calculator here, but anyway, let's see what happens. Whoops. Where's my division? Okay. And then we go 463, 125 equals, and see, I did it wrong. Oh, no. Okay. So let's clear this. Where's my clear button? Oh, there we go. All right, so 3947450. Nope. Divided by 463, 125 equals 8.52. All right, so 8.52. So we would do the same thing down here. All right, so again, you can pause this, look at it, study it, kind of see, okay, this is how we do it. You also can go back to within the chapters of this part, because like right here, if you want to find out where this was at, all right, in the chapter, so it goes over more detail. So that's how you would do that. All right. Move down to the second question. Same thing. It's something related to a new job. All right. And here we got the breakdown on how we calculate that. The direct labor hours, the electrical cost. All right. And so again, you're going to do the A times B. So in this case, where are you? There you are. Okay. So in this case, we're going to do 270 times the 8.5, whoops, 52. All right, and that gives us that 23. There you go, 23. Okay, so same thing here. All right, and down to part 3 here. All right, this is where you can do the scatter graph. So again, pause the video, kind of look over it, compare it to, as you work along, like in your own student, depending if you got can do open to windows or not, but either way. So in here is pretty much how it's all explained, all right? And right here is the example, just following these instructions here. And then down to the next part, same thing, okay? And there again, it gives you the reference, okay? And then same thing, we go down here. You know, and I know I'm kind of speeding through this, but like say, pause, read. You know, and you do some of these you're going to do on the Excel sheet, so you don't have to worry about missing this. And again, as we get through these, if this one helped, let me know. If not, let me know. That way I can approach from a different, different angle or something. All right. But anyway, so here's the one example for the the chapter 5 Excel sheet. Okay. With that, I'll leave this alone. And again, if you got any questions or anything, just get in touch with me. Let me know, and we'll go from there. Okay. All right. So here we go. That's it.